Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to walk through a real world scenario where a brute force attack is targeting a user account, and I'll show you exactly how a SOC analyst will investigate it using Microsoft Sentinel. So instead of just clicking through alerts, we're going to break down what's actually happening and how to think through the investigation. So if you've been following along to simulate this, I generate multiple failed login attempts against a test account, and I'll show you guys here in a minute. So the first thing I'm going to do is within my Defender portal, I'm going to incidents. And from here, we have multiple brute force detections. We'll open one and take a closer look. As you can see here, we can see that multiple failed login attempts was detected. So the things I'm looking for is I'm looking at the IP address, the targeted user, and the number of attempts. So at this point, I'm asking a few important questions. Is the IP address known or is it unfamiliar? Is this user being specifically targeted, or are these login attempts happening within a short time frame? So as you can see here, we have 10 failed attempts, and this is the user that's being targeted, and this is the IP address. So from here, I'll do a little bit of investigation of KQL. So to dig deeper, I'll open my logs and run a query to analyze the failed login activity. So from here, I'll hit View Query. And as you guys can see here, I'll copy and paste my KQL query here, and we can get more details. So I hit Run. So from here, again, I can see the IP that's being targeted. I can see the IP where it's coming from and the accounts that's being targeted. So if this were a real environment, the next step will be to investigate the IP further or reset the user's password, and we'll also make sure that MFA is enabled. So this is a classic example of a brute force attack where an attacker is repeatedly trying different passwords to gain access. So from here, you can see everything here, the amount of failed attempts, the user account that's being targeted, and the IP address where it's coming from. And pretty much it. This is how you investigate a brute force attack using Microsoft Sentinel. So if you guys find this video helpful and you want to see more Azure security labs like this one, please check out the playlist on the screen, and I'll see you guys next time.